This roulette strategy being entered into our roulette tournament is called Criss Cross by Dr. Dope. This looks like an adaptation of the cross-lapping strategy. After this spin, we'll jump straight in. I've only got a small amount of notes. It might look a little bit complicated, but I think after 2 or 3 spins, you'll realise that it's not that complicated at all. Hence, the small amount of notes. Now, we have our $1,000 bankroll. We've got our stats open. We're playing this for 37 spins. I think the score to beat to get into top 8 is $200. Right, let me jump on and I'll show you what we're doing. So the first thing we have to do is number 19 was the last winner. We're following the winner. Our neighbours by 5. We're putting $1 on 19. Let me just get the other bet on. And $10 on the middle column, on the middle dozen, excuse me. So number 19 won. So you go middle dozen, that's where 19 is, and that winning number and neighbours by 5. So the wheel has 11 winning numbers from what we've done. We've got that one number, then the 5 to the left, the 5 to the right, and then obviously the dozen has 12 winning numbers. But some of them overlap, which you can obviously see. That was near 19, so we won that. And we're always going to follow the winner. We just won $15 then. It was a $21 bet. We'll try again. I'm not going to zoom in just so I can get it on. So what was that? 32. We do 32 in the neighbours. And we do $10 on that last dozen. Just jump in here. So neighbours by 5, 32. Covers those numbers that are highlighted. And then obviously the dozen bet. If we just go onto the board. So we had 11 on the wheel and 10 in the... let me just finish this and we'll try and... try and explain a bit better. It's going so fast. Right. Now the progression. So we're going up. Now we're on 20 on the dozen and we're 2 on the number. Every time we lose, we're increasing the dozen by 10 and the number by 1. So if this loses, it'll go 30 onto the dozen, 3 on the numbers. Lose again, 40 onto the dozen, 4 on the numbers. Pretty easy to follow along with because obviously the number is 10 times smaller than the dozen. And what we're going to do is we're going to stay at this level until we get into session profit. So our bets, he's also put, which I'm thankful for. Oh, that's a winner. I don't think we're in session profit though, are we? No, session profit was 15. We're at 12. So I need to get on, where's 15? 15, so that's 2 and 20. I almost just repeated the bet, but then I remembered that you have to follow the winning number as well. So the repeating the bet would have worked for the dozen, but obviously the number is 15, it's not 22. So you're going to have to be pretty fast with this one. I will get round to explaining what I wanted to explain soon. Can I get back around to 15? Right next door. Right, we're in session profit now. So we're going to start again. $1 on 32. $10 on that last dozen. That's our starting bet, 21. Every time we lose, it's going to go up $21 per time. So the probabilities are obviously changing every spin, not by a lot. So for example, in this one, we have 12 winning numbers in a dozen, 11 numbers on the wheel, but obviously 3 of them overlap. We've got 3 jackpot numbers there. We've got 26, 32, and 35. We just hit number 2, which is nice. Let's get that $1 on 2, $10 on the first dozen. So again, with this one, we have 3 jackpot numbers. We've got 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. They are in the first dozen and they're near each other on the wheel. So if we have 11 on the wheel, 12 on the dozen, that's 23. 3 of them overlap. So in this spin, we have 20 winning numbers. You'll notice as we move along, and depending on what number it is, sometimes we'll have 3 jackpot numbers, sometimes we'll have 2 jackpot numbers, sometimes we'll have 4. I think we've always got at least 1 jackpot number. So that was a complete whack. None of them won. So we're going to go $2 on 29. and $20 on that last dozen. So this time we have 4 jackpot numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got more jackpot numbers, but less winning numbers. Now we've got 19 winning numbers. So we'll have 12 in here, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So what you really want is a repeater. You want it to go straight back into where it was. That's just a winner. So we're not at session profit, are we? This has happened to us before. So we can stick with that 20 there. And we're going to go $2.25. This is where you've got to be careful. I mean, it's not a problem if you just repeat the bet. But if you want to play it the way that Dr. Dope has wrote it out, we're following the winner. So we're following the winner on the wheel, and we're following the winner on the board. And you can see that this time, even though we've got the last dozen and the numbers covered, we've only got 3 jackpot numbers. That is one of them. Boom. That was a good one. Right, reset. $1 on 34, $10 on the last dozen. So we just hit a big jackpot number there. $54 up to $144. That was a $90 profit. Now we were on that second step because we didn't reset. So just an idea of the potential winnings. You've got $9 on just a winning dozen, $15 on a winning number, and then $45 obviously if they're both together. When I say both together, I mean jackpot. All right, let's increase this. So we're going $2 on 16, $20 on the middle dozen. Whoa, I think we've got a lot of jackpot numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pretty sure that's the most amount. So there's 5 jackpot numbers there, which means 23 minus 5 means we've only got 18 numbers to win on. So more jackpot numbers, less winning numbers. Okay, we're going to go to 30 and 3. So put the 30 on first and then 3 on 25. Last time 25 came in, 34 came in next. So we had 25 and then 34 came in and that was a jackpot. She wants to put it back into 34, that'd be great. Or she wants to put it back into 25, that'd be great. It's not far off. Ooh, just the winner. So we stay on that level. So going 3 on 13 and 30 on the middle dozen. I've got a terrible cough again. I get a cough, it goes away. I come to record a video, it comes back. Now, Dr. Dope says we can reduce our bets if things start getting a bit too crazy. We got $63 on the table, which is quite a lot. I'm not entirely sure what to do with 0 on a dozen. Guess we go 4 on 0. It makes sense for me just to follow the last winning dozen. He didn't put anything about 0, so makes sense to just go to the previous dozen. We'll see. That's the only thing that I can think of. Do you miss a dozen? I doubt it. I doubt he wants us to miss a dozen. Right, so staying on 4 and 40. Let's get that 40 on the last dozen. And 4 on 32. So yeah, Dr. Dope says reduce bets accordingly. The main rule is reset when in session profit. Maybe if we win this and don't get into session profit, which I actually think that we will, I might have to bring them down to like 3 and 30. Yeah, we missed that. Right, we're on 50 and 5 now. So we go 50 and 5. $105 bet. Do have 5. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Just looks like a nice pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jackpot numbers, which is great. Love to hit a jackpot number, but as we know, that means we've got less numbers. So we've got 12 here, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, only 17 numbers covered. Go on. Oh, she wanted it in 20. No, 11's not good. So 6 and 60. I'm definitely going to have to start reducing our bets soon. So we can go. Yeah, look. $126. But again, we've got another 5 jackpots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think Dr. Dope won't mind me doing this. If this wins, we're not going to be in session profit, but rather than staying at this level, we're going to go to 50 and 5. Just makes sense. If we win this, which... Oh, it came back. Oh, no, it didn't. Nope. So 70 and 7. Oh, dear. Look at that graph now. Oops. 70 and 7. That's the same as 20. With the board, we got 5 jackpot numbers covered. Where is it? Here, look, 14 and 20 right next door to each other. Obviously, both in the middle dozen. Can I get back round? Yeah, no. Oh, it stopped. Oh my goodness, this is not working out for us. Now we go 8 and 80. Is this going to fall apart? 35. Oh dear. Right, need to hit a winner soon. We've hit quite a lot of misses. Where's the numbers? I think that was a winning number, but we were on quite a big bet. 1, 2, 3. So we've hit at least 4 whacks. Oh, we needed that in 31. This is not going well for us. 9 and 90. 14. Look what's just happened here. Look at that streak. So our highest was 144, and we just gone, meow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We always have around half the board covered, sometimes even more. Right, 19 will do. I'm going to reduce it to 8 and 80. And 19. So I only reduced it by $21. But I think when the bets are this high, just to stay in the game, you're going to start needing to drop them down. I know Dr. Dope says reset at session profit. Right, we got that, which is okay. I'm just going to keep on dropping them down a little bit to try and stay in the game here. So I think we go to 7 and 70 now. Now we're on a $147 bet. Yeah, I know the rule is just to stay at that level. Official rule here written down for the tournament. But drop them down. You can stay in the game a little bit. And even if we hit a winner, we're going to be over the moon. Oh. Right. 8 and 80. Back to that $168 bet. So if anybody's seen the cross-lapping strategy, the original one is, I think it's the Roulette Masters. No, what are they called? Roulette Professionals, maybe? Showed that system is normally a flat betting system. This has obviously been adapted from that. Get back down to 21. Oh, well, guys, we're falling apart here. 9 and 90, but we're on 30, which is my favourite number. Come on. 90, and we're on 9 here. Next bet, if this misses, we can't increase. So we're going to be 9 and 90 again, if this misses. Look at the stats here. We were doing really good, weren't we? And then just not happened for us. Need some jackpot numbers. That looks near 30. It's gone away again. Where's it gone? That was literally landed in 30 and then just ran away. Right, last spin. $90. And 18. Can't find 18. Oh no! I've only got $5 on 18. My mind went blank. I was thinking of what we're gonna do. We just bit. Oh, we got it. But I didn't have enough money on it. I've just messed that up. Right. We're going to 8 here. And we're going to 80 here. Can we stay in the game? So we actually hit the number. I only had $5 on the number because I couldn't find it and my chip was wrong. That was a bit embarrassing from my side, but anyway, let's see if we can recover here. We want this into 35. Get into 35. That's game over. Guys, that is game over. Actually, let's just do 10, 6. Can I get extra money on? Right. Just got all the money on the table just to see if we can get any of this back. That just collapsed on us, didn't it? We haven't had a bust out for a long time. Unfortunately, we just did have a bust out. We're still in the game somehow. I'm just freestyling here just to see if we can get anything on. So if I go 40, I've got $1 left. Just show you what I'm trying to do. We're not following exactly what was told by Dr. Dope, but I've gone 3 and then obviously first dozen just to try and get some money back. There's no point having like $20 in the balance. And I could do with a jackpot number, to be honest. No, that is game over. So that only lasted 27 spins. And we are left with $1. That got off to a really nice start. I was thinking this is going really well. And then we just couldn't do it. We couldn't recover. Dr. Dope, thank you for that submission. Probably a bit too aggressive in terms of the progression. Probably also got unlucky. Well, we definitely did get unlucky, but That's what happens with roulette. Thanks for your time. Hopefully the next one is better luck. See you soon.